Hey there, I'm going to show you how you can use the embed field type so that you can embed all kinds of things into your widgets to make them more interactive. For example, you could embed Spotify podcasts, like in this podcast widget I have here. Or you could embed in Maps links from Google. Or you could even embed in stuff like Calendly links, where you click a button and someone's Calendly link comes up and you could book a meeting with them. So many things you can do. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's start with Spotify. In Spotify, you can go to a podcast or a link to something you want to embed. Click these three dots and then click Share and Embed Show. Once you've done that, you'll get this little widget code here. All you need to do is press Copy. And once you've got the code, head to a spreadsheet. So this is a spreadsheet I'm using with my podcast widget. I've got a column in here for my Spotify embed, and I'm going to paste that code in here, and I'll paste it across all of them so we can see what it looks like. Then I'm going to head over to my podcast widget. You can get this in the widget dashboard as well if you'd like to use this design. I'm going to then head down here and add a field, and this is where you add the embed field. All you need to do is go to the bottom and find embed, select your column. I'm going to click my Spotify embed column, and there you go. It's populated nicely in there. While we're here, I'll show you some quick ways of how you can get embed codes for Calendly. So when you're in Calendly, you just go to your dashboard and create your meeting page, and then just click these three dots, add to website, and you can add this either via the inline embed, which shows the booking link. You could do a pop-up text, which is what I used, or even a pop-up widget down the bottom right corner. Now, lastly, Google Maps. So maybe you want to show a location on Google Maps inside your widget. Find the location in Google Maps. Once you've got it, head over to Share, and then go Embed a Map. Once you've done that, all you need to do is copy this HTML here and paste it back into your spreadsheet. It's that simple. You can embed so many different things into your shareable widgets. Just give it a go. You can make them much more interesting.